Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite dimmailoka. So join me today as I go and get my first tripod. This is such a big moment for me and I can't help but be grateful to God. This is an answered prayer for real, guys. So this is me stepping into the shop. I'm supposed to buy this tripod. This is where I get my equipment, and when I came here they kind of renovated their shop, so that's why you can't see all those content creation equipment here. So they went to the other shop to get the tripods for me. This is me here trying to see the particular tripod I'm going to buy. So finally I chose this one. Let's go home for the story time and the unboxing, guys. I can't wait to share this story with you guys, okay? On the 18th of July 2023, I constructed what I will call my tripod. This is not necessarily a tripod, but as I always say, as far as it gets the job done, then it's worth it, right? Who would ever imagine that this is what I use to film all this my sit down videos? Who would imagine? So this video or this story time is just to tell you and to let you know that you shouldn't limit yourself, because the equipment, the resources has already limited you. You shouldn't confine yourself in that box thinking that, oh, if I have this, when I have this, when I have that. No. Just like a very close friend of mine, Prince, told me, he said that creativity knows no bounds. Creativity doesn't have limits. The only thing creativity demands from you is to be open to it, be willing to receive it and work on it. Do not judge it. Try as much as possible to fight for it. That is what it demands from you. So guys, this is an encouragement for you to just step out and make the best use of what God has given to you. So guys, this is my sister trying to film my setup. I couldn't film this setup because as of the time I'm making this video, I wasn't at home. And also this video is 100% her idea, so shout out to her. And she's trying to help me to film how I use this self-constructed tripod.